Last service, 17,000 kilometers. Now 126,000 kilometers. Over 100,000 kilometers maintenance needed. Fort. Er fuhr fort und kam nie wieder. Oh, very dirty oil. Look at the oil filter. This happened. Very dangerous. Oh, lucky guy. Uh-oh. Finished. Broken! Yep. Bambi Brown. Mr. Brown pricks the frown. You see the distance? It has changed over the years. Importante to change. Look at the length. This is a very old Toyota George. 06-2016. Over 6 years old. And 110,000 kilometers. Very bad. Mint quality. Check one. Oh, not good. Minus 20 degrees. Check two. Oh, good. Very good. Cabin air filter. Over 100,000 kilometers. Not good for your health. HEPA filter. Good for your health. Airflow, 6 direction. Motul X-Clean for Porsche Ford. Service reset. 20 seconds. Perfect.